let me welcome all of you to this auspicious event of Mahavijan Kalyanak. We would also like to express our gratitude to all the volunteers and participants who've been working really hard to make sure today's event is joyous and memorable for all of you. Today's celebration marks the first major event of this year and for this new board. 1450 plus. Yes, 1450 plus. This is the RSVP count for today's event. This is the highest RSVP we have received. And all our volunteers are working hard to make sure that we can accommodate this big gathering on this event. So let's give a great round of applause for all of us. We all are members, we all are volunteers. So come on, a big round of applause for all of us. We sincerely hope that everyone present here will enjoy the activities that our Pathshala kids and teachers are diligently working for some time. While we are eagerly waiting for Pathshala program to start, let's have a quick look at some activities that we have done so far in this year. Param Pujya Gurudev Rakesh Ji to JSNT, he visited and blessed us with the pravachan, and he also visited our new site and blessed the new site. 1008 Ambiloli Tap Anumodana, Param Pujya Acharya Shri Vidyasagar Ji, Samadhi Mahotsav and Vinanjali. Other than we had Samuhik Ambil Oli, and recently we have visited from Arkansas State University student. All these activities shows how far in JSNT we have come, and we are certainly looking for much more activity with the help of all of you. Next slide, please. Next. In JSNT, we are committed to nurturing its spiritual goal. Focus on 4 bhavanas: Maitri, Karuna, Madhyasth and Pramod. While at the same time, we are making sure our current facility is maintained at highest standards. To accomplish this, we are focusing on few goals: commitment, transparency and communication, collaboration, maintaining enhancement of our current premises and development of our new goal. Next slide, please. To accomplish our goal, here are few tasks that we have been accomplished in this year along with some highly anticipated projects. Enhancement to audio visual, that we can see we have got new projector screens and we are using them. The main task that everyone is looking for, our new Gen Center project planning. We will be sharing the draft concept plan with all of you for your input soon in the month of May. We have done a major improvement in Havek, all our air conditioning and heating facility. We have also implemented a biometric system for Vaniji Bahan. It is implemented now. We need all of your support to make sure your thumbprints are added to the biometric system for your access. Here are some of the high priority projects that we've been working on and planning to implement as soon as possible with all of your support. Parking asphalt, feasibility evaluation to convert available space near old Sant Nivas for parking. We are working on repairing roofs, new JSNT sideboard that we should be able to implement soon after the city approval. Our team is working really hard to implement membership management software. We are currently testing, all board members are working extensively on testing this software to make sure we can go live on this software as soon as possible, so that all of our members can access their data. We are also working on some repairing work related to walls, restrooms, water heater and landscape. Again, we will need all your support as much as you can do for all these activities. Looking forward from your support. Tan, man, dhan se. Next slide, please. So we have set up a fundraising goal of 200,000 for today, and we have almost accomplished half of it. We are really looking forward for achieving this goal of remaining half. Do make sure that you all contribute for this. While our finance facility and news center team give more update on this item, I want to share with you some thought that require JSNT's leadership to refocus on two very important capital intensive tasks. First track deals with committing ourselves to assumption that we will be staying here for 4 or 5 years. That's why it is very important that we immediately go ahead with a near capital improvement program for our current house. Our second track is a longer term, 5-year track of requiring a much more experienced and innovative team. We will have to take a much broader set of our resources with a goal to raise significantly large capital for our new home in conjunction with identifying plan for phased development of our new facility. With the help of our current board and some of the large donors and business leaders of our society, we will help to come up with an approach that is sustainable from one board to another. In order for us to have a new facility, the continuity of focus must be the hallmark of our second track. Our board is coming week must be addressing and sharing plans with you. So stay tuned for the updates. Your generous support will be essential for our success in accomplishing our dual track goal. Once again, thank you for all your continued support, and we are looking forward for much more support. Jai Jinesh and Michami Dukram. I will let Anand Bhai introduce my presentation.
Thank you, Rohit Bhai, for that board update. I just want to let you know that we are full of energetic team. We have a very aggressive agenda to achieve, and with the guidance of Rohit Bhai, we are really making good progress. So thank you for all your support. Now I want to call Pathshala team. So we are now going to start with kindergarten and group 5 program. So we ready to go?
And committed board, blending seniors' experience and wisdom with new board members' new ideas. Currently we have 14 board members out of 15, and we are working diligently to fill the final board member spot from NMP. Let me request all board members to come forward and be introduced as I call their name. Amiben Dalal, Vice President of JSNT and Board Liaison for Communication. Deepadi Nuna, Secretary JSNT and Board Liaison for Activities. Dilip Bhai Shah, Treasurer and Board Liaison for Facility Operation and Facility Management. Of course, he doesn't need any introduction. Atul Bhai Shah, Atul Bhai Khara, सब शाह हो गया, आदत बिगड़ गई है. Atul Bhai Khara, Board Liaison for Pathshala. Next slide. दिलीप अंकल मिस्टर इंडिया हो गए. अजय भाई भाविशी, Chetnaji Chamraj, our board liaison for membership, volunteer, and of course, kitchen. Jitendra Bankia, the new member. Mr. Vajay. Leena Ji Mehta is out of country, and Swati Shah, board liaison for our public relations. Mahavir Bhai Shah, board liaison. Oh, come on, stop Shah, man. So you, Mahavir Bhai Jain, a board liaison for office administration, and AV Hardware, all the hard work related to projectors and screens, all his hard work along with Viren Bhai. And now the dynamic duo of Jimit Bhai and a dynamic duo of Anand Bhai and Jimit Bhai, who is coordinating the whole event. Finally, I don't want to say Shah, right? Prakash Bhai Rao ka, our mentor and supporting us in every aspect of this board operation. I would like him to say a few words to all of you. Prakash Uncle.
Well, Jai Jivendra and happy Mahavir Jayanti to you all. You can look at this board. I've been here for 15 years. I have never seen 5 Lakshmis on the board. And I can tell you, Lakshmis are bringing Lakshmi to the society. And they are bringing peace, harmony to the society, and we are going to go to quite a long way to reach our goal. So please, please help these Lakshmis with your Lakshmi. Thank you.
Thank you, Prakash Uncle. We also have 3 Jaina directors representing JSNT in Jaina. Of course, Prakash Uncle, Dilip Bhai Punata, who is not feeling well, so he's not here, and as always, dynamic, supportive Arun Bhai Shah. Arun Bhai, if you are here, please come forward. He is working. He is always supporting us in the operation. So once again, give a great round of applause for all our team members. All right, over to you, the dynamic duo.
Thank you, Rohit Bhai.
So in order to achieve all this, we need some funds. Our goal today is to reach 200,000, and we have already collected 100,000. Now I'm asking you, each and every one of you, please open up your wallet and donate generously. We have some volunteers in the back, so please go ahead and donate. This is our home currently until we have a new house. So we have to upkeep this. There are many things we need here. We need new tiles, we need pavement, and whatnot. So please, one more time, I'm requesting you to donate generously.
As Atulaka said, we have set a target for 200K. We are currently at 110K. That's a big number, but we still need at least 90K more today to achieve our target. So please do support as much as you can. Thank you.
What we have done last year, what is our current expenses for our facility, and why are we raising this fund? If we cannot take care of our facility here, expenses here every week, every month for a whole year, we will not be able to maintain the similar kind of a decor. So here is the performance of last year that you would be able to see. Right now, currently, we have 4 buckets over here, and we have total in general fund $156,000 in Chase Bank, Comerica Bank, we have $26,000 as of December 31st, 2023. And we have in Fidelity, where it is interest earning, it is $139,000, and total $323,000 we have it in a general fund. Out of that, we have borrowed $750,000 for buying this land which we bought it in Frisco. So we are really in negative $450,000 over there. But that is within the society, we have borrowed it, we are not paying interest or anything. But general fund does, like any center in India, if you look at it, Sadharan Dravya always is running short. Dev Dravya is always, constantly filling up. But Sadharan, so we are looking for Sadharan Dravya general fund. That is when we are looking for it. So this year's expenses, next slide. We have expenses, look at the last several years. 2021, we did not have any other expenses because of the COVID. Most of the facility was closed, the expenses were down. And when we came out of COVID, 22 and 23, the expenses started going up. We have $133,000 expense on 2023, which covered, mostly goes after the utility, security, Pathshala maintenance, yard maintenance. These are the major expenses, maid expenses, and insurance. Insurance has gone up substantially. We started here with $6,000-7,000 in the beginning, 10 years ago. Now it is around $12,000, but at the same time they have increased the deductible to the higher level. Plus the property is getting old, so we need to be able to keep on doing the improvement to keep it up with the current facility. So this year we are expecting our expenses to go from 133, 10% up, around $150,000. That is the expectation. We keep it, and we use it so much diligently. We do not spend a penny more than what is required. We look for discount, we look for donations, we look for subsidized way of getting all the materials as well as labor. Next slide. This is again the trend of income versus expenses. We had last year $145,000 collected. Out of this thing, $10,000 came from each sect, Devramsi sect as well as Digambar sect. Because of the use of facility, we had made a policy that this much money we should be able to give to the general fund from the society sect facility. So we had collected 145. Out of that thing, if you take 20,000 off, we were short $8,000 last year negative. But we covered it up by getting it donation from the other side. Next, this is going to be where the expenses are going, how they are going, where the security is, utilities are, facility repair maintenance, where is it going? It was going down in 2021, but it went up very high in the year of 2023. Next. This is the detailed expenses of where we have given. This is a financial statement. So you can see how it is done in the last 5 years. Next. Again, I think this is the balance sheet of the total. This is the property. We are expecting this year. Now coming back to this year, we are done with this one. Now coming back to this year, besides the maintenance expense of this building and the society's expenses, which is around $150,000, we are expecting to be breaking up. You all must have seen the parking lot, how the parking lot is. It is very deteriorating on the temple side, on both the sides. That is 12,500 square foot of area. And nowadays, if you want to replace 12,500 square foot of parking lot with proper way of asphalt parking, minimum price per square foot is around $5 a square foot, which comes out around $65,000. We have one of our volunteers who is a builder himself, Monik Gandhi. Monik bhai, where are you? Yeah, please come here. He is our capital expense maintenance chairperson for the facility. He himself is a builder, and he was able to get the quote of 12,500 square foot for $31,000, and he's still trying to bring them down. We were planning to get it done last week, but due to the weather we could not do it. We are trying to increase parking at the Sant Nivas area, the one which is a grass area, where we are trying to get some kind of a cold car over there, so we can use that facility for parking as well as for outside lunch, which is going to cost us somewhere around between $7,000 to $10,000. We had to get additional, replace the screens. We put new projector here. We have a roof work to be done. These are all costing around like $10,000. So we have additional $50,000. And with this $50,000 additional, we are looking at budget of this year's expenses around $200,000. And that is what we are looking for to raise this year. From one time, we want to do it in one shot. And we want to be able to see, we all can do it. Don't you think we will collect $200,000 from this society, from this membership? We have 450, 500 families in our society members. We need to raise only what, $200,000? Can we do that thing? I want to hear from everybody. Can we do it? I don't hear that big loud. But can we do it? And I think, can you believe, with 25 people we approached since last week, within that 25 people, we have been able to raise $110,000 today. Just give them a big round of applause. It has just gone up to 120. And we are requesting everyone, I think what we are requesting is $500 one time. If you give it, I think we will be done with it. We will not have to spend this time, and you don't have to listen to me about asking for the money. All I need is every family, if they can just go find it. What we want is, we are going to do today something else. I want to recognize 2 platinum sponsors we have. Platinum sponsors who have donated $10,000 each. First one is Deepika Ben and Soumil by Jai. Can you please stand up if you are here? Yeah. Can you please come forward? Please come forward. And the second platinum sponsor we have is Balbai and Vinaben Dawla. Can you please come over here?
Anumodana, Anumodana, Anumodana.
Vinaben. I want you to recognize all these 4 people. Again.
Let's make something. Someone gets it
Yeah.
out.
And I would like them to tell us what motivated them to become a platinum sponsor.
So we look at the current facility and everything, and we think until the new one is built. अभी जो है present में. Okay. So whatever we have currently, I think we should contribute to that, so everyone gets benefit. The little ones, the older ones, and all of us are coming here almost every weekend. And we should have a good facility, good parking, everything good, so that everyone feels like coming. That was the motivation.
Kuku Vanmudna, Balbai. Vinaben.
We don't have enough Legos. We'll try.
Now, I'm so pleased to see so many people come here together and worship and listen to all our religious tenets. So, if just to keep that up, I would recommend we should have a new, bigger facility.
Okay, thank you.
Give them a big round of applause and Anumodana to them. Anumodana, Anumodana, Anumodana Varamvar. Anumodana, Anumodana, Anumodana Varamvar. They have been contributing for last so many years. For, they have been always there since we bought the land, not even land, church in the Richardson. From there, Anant Uncle, Jay Bhai, Bal Bhai, They have been always there in the backbone. The society is thriving right now. You can count on these people anytime, any given minute. They will be there for you with whatever you want, तन मन धन तीनों चीजों से देने के लिए तैयार रहते हैं. I think they all deserve a huge round of applause. Also, this is the first year we have gold sponsors, which is $5,001, and we have last year 6 of those. This year, you want to guess how many did we get? We have right now almost 18 of gold sponsors this year. I think this is the first time, which is a huge record, that we have been able to get 18 people. Now that puts a challenge to all of us. If 23 people can raise 50% of the money, can we not do another 50% with 425 families together? And that is what I am looking for it. So please do it generously. We would like everybody's name, everybody's donation in the society roster, and we would like to make you feel like this is our society, and we are talking about $10 every week, $500 a month.
Dilip bhai, another way I want to put it to the people, that we have 400 Pathshala kids. So let's say we have 200 parents. Each parent, when we take our kids to different classes outside for dance or iPad or other, we pay tremendous. I mean, I was surprised at what the inflation has caused the fees to go up so much. We are not going to charge anything here, so please make a note of that. But donate generously to reach our goal. That's all I want to say.
Yeah.
And one more thing, your board have contributed more than 10% of the fund already, and maybe more. And look at your own assets. I would say at least 400 families of Jain families in Dallas Metroplex have asset more than $1 million. At least. So you can look at it. Can you write a check for 500? Can you write a check for 1,000 or more? Please, open your wallet. Help the society. Thank you.
Big thank you to all the gold sponsors, because there are so many, I don't want to name them because I'm going to miss some. But all the gold sponsors, they are here. We are going to put their names on the email as well as yeah. Also, we have individual people taking part of the sponsorship throughout the, like Ambil Ori, picnic. Those are individual sponsors. This year's Ambil Ori sponsors, grand sponsors are Dinesh Bhai and Malini bin Javeli family. So we would like to Anumodna to them to doing it. And today we are going to have the similar kind of thing in Ambil. 1008 Ambil Ori. Ambil is done by Sadhvi ji in India. And they are wanting us to do the lab of putting one small piece of Kadi Sakar in that patra, and that is going directly from here in the same course to India next week. 28 is the Parna, and Kirit Bhai Sanghvi, Ilabin Sanghvi, Amish Lakhani and Ratna Lakhani, they are going to be standing over here. Those who would like to take participation in that one, you can come over there, take a small piece over there, Kadi Sakar, and do that thing in the Kalash, and that Kalash is going to go directly to Bombay for the Parna market. So please give them a Khub Anumodna for doing this kind of work. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Uncle Dilip Uncle. Thank you very much for the update. Now we have Pathshala.
And before we go to the next program, I think we have here QR code for our WhatsApp JSND family and JSND notice board. Please, if you are not part of those groups, please try to be part of that group. We have been keeping all the updates on those groups, so please be part of those groups, and we will be updating everything on those groups.
Thank you very much. So मंदिर बनाया है, जिसने एक पत्ते की ऊंचाई की तरफ ही जिन मंदिर बनाया है, तो सरस्वती भी उनके गुणों में हार मानती है. तो मनुष्य की क्या बात? मनुष्य अगर ये पंचम काल में एक जिन मंदिर बनाता है तो उसका जन्म सफल। ये जिनवानी की बात कोट कर रहा हूँ. दिस इज द कोट रियली इंस्पायर्ड मी एंड आई वांट टू अपडेट दैट what the past board has done, we are taking that forward. The past board did a fantastic job on closing the land, and now this board has taken upon a task about creating the new temple, formation of our new committee, new site. So I'll give an update about exactly what has happened so far, and I want everybody to listen into this. So as part of the new site update, to begin with, we form a team of professionals. These professionals are part of our JSND community. So specifically, ladies, can we have a drop of silence, please?
Can we have a silence in the back, please?
Please.
We have a lot of noise in the back, which is very important for our new center to go forward with.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle. So we have a special team formed by Mr. Monik Bhai, who is a professional developer. We have Sapna Bain, who is our civil engineer. And then we have Sanjeev Bhai, who is also a developer. Sanjeev Bhai couldn't be here today, but I want to give them a... so let me hand over. First of all, let me give you a couple of updates and then I will hand over to Monik Bhai. So, we engaged an architect who is experienced with City of Frisco. That architect was an employee of City of Frisco who helped us build an architecture. So today we are going to share that with you. It's going to be a surprise, so stay tuned. Then we have a couple of activities planned for. We are going to share the conceptual 3D plan during the next couple of months as we move forward and make progress. We are planning for an event in month of May. Now please reserve your Sundays. There could be any Sunday, we are going to shortly announce that after the due diligence, but that is our next step. And then most important, we are going to form different communities. We want our society members to come forward. We have communities such as construction, fundraising, we have guidance community and so on. But I want to call out Mr. Monik Bhai to walk us through some of the ideas. So Monik Bhai. AV team, can we go to the next slide? So this is the draft concept plan we diligently work with architect to come up with. So if you can pay attention here, so you see there are two plans over here. Please make a note, this is a draft, this is a concept plan. This will be finalized further upon the due diligence. But this is our first attempt to create and showcase the progress so that we bring in your participation. We bring in your enthusiasm and your energy so that this project can move forward. So let me hand over to Monik Bhai. Monik Bhai, if you can walk us through quickly.
Sure. So as you see on this slide, we have two buildings divided by a walkway in the middle that leads to the two temples. We have an upashray on the right hand side. The two temples are about 55 to 75 square feet, 55 by 75 square feet. So our next steps are now we're getting bids from the civil engineering. We have these boxes laid out for the architectural drawings, and we will present this to the civil engineers. We'll get bids from about 2 to 3. We have already narrowed it down. We have Sapna Bain, she's also a civil engineer. She will help us review those bids. And once we have the civil engineering combined with the architectural, we'll be ready for our permits. We'll be ready to present it to the city of Frisco. Sapna Bain, say something. So if
Monik Bhai, if you can give some specs, like how big is the temple, a little bit here.
Yeah, so the temples are 55 by 75 square feet each, both of them.
4,000 square feet. Yep.
Yeah. So imagine that everything that you see currently, it's twice that size. So today I saw that few of the rows of people seated,
had to move so that we could perform, we would not have those kind of deals again. We would have a better sound system, we would have a better visual aesthetics about the whole layout. So in about a couple of weeks or maybe 3 or 4 weeks, we will get a much better rendering from the architect so we can visualize and see it in 3D. We don't know what the perfect dates are, but we are working with the architect currently to make sure that we have something like this coming pretty soon.
Perfect, the morning bike. Thank you very much. Let me call Dilip uncle to say a few words on this one. Uncle, over to you.
Jai Jinendra. The intention was that we are outgrowing, and you can see how we are outgrowing the numbers over here. This facility is 17,500 square foot of this particular building, which completely inclusive with classroom, dining hall, kitchen, and upstairs this is a hall, as well as the boardroom in the back and apartment over here. So we are trying to get it done almost double that size, 35,000. So we can accommodate almost 750 people sitting in the auditorium type. 500 people can be sitting at one time for the dinner. And we are short of parking here. We are looking at almost 350 parking right
Yes,
now.
yes, we are almost
350. 350 parking we can accommodate in this one. We have only 6 classrooms downstairs. We are trying to get it done, 16 classrooms over here. So that is the desired dream project for us. And the temple, the way we want to build it, it is going to be Shikharbati temple, the one which is going to be unique, where we would like people to come and enhance themselves, as well as visitors can come to see Dallas. And one of the attraction point would be our Jain Society's complex. So we would like to have that kind of a desire. We want to get that thing done in little more detail. What we are looking for architect right now is taking a little more time. She has done whatever she was supposed to be doing. This can pass as much as is possible from the city without any problem with the city. So this is going to be our desired master plan. And we would like to bring everybody, save the date, in May, either 5th of May or subsequently, depending on the architect's readiness, getting the 3D dimension of how exactly all the buildings, the way you will be walking through, the temples are going to be east to west, parkings are going to be all around with the safety in the mind, with the expansion in future, if we buy the land in future, how we are going to be able to accommodate that one, with the drainage facility and making very peaceful. Once you enter into the center, you should feel that you have come somewhere else and you have left everything behind. And that is our desire. So we would like lot of people's expertise, contribution, Tan, Man, Dhan, all three together.
Yes.
We wanted everybody to be there. This cannot be done by few people. We need a massive number of volunteers who has expertise and who have desire. In our lifetime, we'll get to make one temple ourselves, one center ourselves, and we all want to be part of that new project. So we would like you to just keep your Sundays open any given time. As soon as we get it, we will be calling on a short notice meeting,
Yep.
and that will be dedicated specifically for
For the
temple.
chapter. Thank you, Dilip uncle, very much.
Thank you.
Rohit bhai.
We do want to emphasize that this is just an initial we do need your input, and we will be sending proper communication with the feedback form and requirement for you to come up with your suggestion. So stay tuned for the email and our next meeting, specifically for new Jain Center site.
So this is the 3D rendition. This is a very interim. This is a representative concept plan, but we wanted to bring the energy, synergy, and we wanted to showcase the progress. Of course, we will have a special meeting as Rohit bhai has announced, and we will stay tuned. So the next step is that stay tuned for our updates. We want your active participation, as Rohit bhai really called out, Tan, Man, Dhan. So thank you everybody. Jai Jinesh.
Thank you, Anand bhai.
So we're going to call
Next, sorry, so we do have one more update coming from YJ team. So please wait, and YJ team, can you please come to the stage?
Before you go, there is one thing which is happening on the left side, right side, my left side, your right side. This is the Anumodap Goravanu Kam Parnu 1008 Ambil Parna, and you want to give something for breaking that Parna. So please come forward, take one small piece of kadi sakar and put it in that kalash, and that water, sugar water will be the one she'll be breaking the fast. So please come to the Kirit Bhai and Ratnabeli standing over there. Take your, love. This is like putting a seed into our Punya karma.
Thank you.